Many a times I am questioned regarding the various ways to develop self-discipline. Well, my answer is quite simple. Stop thinking. Surprised? Let me explain you. You decided to start running at 6 a.m. every day. The very next day, the alarm of 5:45 a.m. wakes you up. Now the most dreadful thing occurred. Your brain starts thinking and is filled with these senseless thoughts. You start sugarcoating your excuses with rationality and logics. Trust me, guys, you are just befooling yourself, nothing more than that. The inner dialogues are time consuming and lead to inaction, which of course you cannot afford. Come on, guys, let's question yourself. Tell me, when was the last time you actually did something which you decided? Come on, answer me, you will get the answer. Talking about an alternate reality, where after a lot of thinking, you made a decision and after that you stopped thinking. So, the alarm of 5:45 a.m. woke you up, you put on your shoe, you step out of your house and go for running. That's the spirit which is needed, guys. Do it. Stop thinking and start doing.